Alright, I've been getting questions about the Sherrone Moore and Michigan situation taking place. Let's talk about it and why this is so serious. Earlier this week, Sherrone Moore, the former University of Michigan head football coach, was arrested shortly after being fired by the university. There is no longer an NCAA issue or a football scandal. This is a criminal case. Moore is facing a felony charge of third-degree home invasion, along with misdemeanor charges including stalking and breaking and entering. Prosecutors allege he unlawfully entered the home of a woman he had previously been in a relationship with and engaged in behavior that led police to intervene. From a legal perspective, the felony charge is the biggest problem for Sherrone. Third-degree home invasion in Michigan is punishable by prison time. Even though it's the lowest level of home invasion, it is still a felony, and felony convictions change lives permanently. The stalking charge also matters here. Stalking requires a pattern of conduct that causes someone to reasonably fear for their safety. It's not just one bad decision. It is repeated behavior which courts take very seriously. At Moore's arraignment, a judge set bond at $25,000, ordered no contact with the alleged victim, required GPS monitoring, and mandated mental health treatment. Those conditions tell you the court views this as a legitimate public safety concern. It's not just a misunderstanding. Now let's talk about what happens next. This case is still in its early stages, and Moore has pleaded not guilty. Importantly, he has no prior criminal history, and that matters. Judges and prosecutors absolutely consider a clean record when deciding potential outcomes such as a plea agreement. Now, my prediction as a lawyer and former prosecutor, I anticipate that this case will move towards a plea agreement rather than a trial, as most cases do. I would expect Moore's attorneys to push for reduced charges or a plea that avoids jail time, probably involving probation as well as strict compliance conditions. Avoiding incarceration will be his priority, and with no criminal history, that outcome is realistic. That said, even without jail time, the consequences are severe. His coaching career at the highest level is almost certainly over, and this case will follow him long after the headlines fade. Bottom line, this isn't about football anymore. It's about criminal exposure, personal conduct, and accountability under the law. And once you're in the criminal justice system, everything moves fast and nothing is guaranteed.